All right, guys, it's Friday morning. It's about 7:30. We got the Tundra loaded up. We're on the road. We're going to meet up later on this afternoon with Captain Brent Jones and his wife Carolyn, and we're taking my daughter Abby on her birthday, Catfishing Lake in Wheeler, Alabama. Stay with us.
Heavier, don't he? You want to stand up there?
No, don't flip me out this boat.
Huh?
Pull it up towards your chest, Abs. There you go.
You want to go up there so you got a little room?
That's fine.
You sure? Grab that rod, reel that rod up, Carol. That down rod. Is he pulling?
Multitasking.
Here, hop up there. Here, come over here so you don't get around the edge. All right. Is that in? Bring him right there. Look at that.
He's in the net.
Oh, there we go. Oh my lord.
What do you think, Abs?
All right, now you can hop down.
You got a bigger one. Yeah. Oh, awesome. I was gonna send Gracie a picture of something else, and then when she said, and then this happened. So that's what needs to happen. We like
Want the
these
gloves?
Yes. No.
You sure?
You have to stick your whole hand in there this time.
Stick your whole hand in there.
Grab him, John, it's your thumb. Use your fingers like
use your
that, like Brent.
There you go.
Let me
You
get
got him?
Yep. Hang on.
All right, guys, it's Saturday morning, about 6 o'clock. We're loading the boat up. We're gonna head back out on the lake and hopefully put Abs on some more blue cats today. Weather looks perfect today. I think highs in the mid 80s. We're gonna get out there and keep whacking at it. Stay with us, guys. All right, guys, we just got to our first spot. We're a little quarter mile or so above the dam, and we're going to get the baits and poles out. We're going to drag and run a planer board up this edge and see what we can do and try to get Abs on, keep raising up her personal best. Abs, get up her. Hooked up for the first time this morning. Got hooked up on the clear board.
fighting you? Nice one. Take him over that way.
Keep reeling, Abs.
Keep reeling him right over that way.
There you go.
Let me take a picture with your phone too.
Put your old hand in there.
Hold it down just a little bit so I can see your face. Got it. Oh yeah, we gotta get a picture with their board too.
Stop it. Stop. Eat my hand. Stop.
Okay. Ready? Got it.
Stop eating.
There you go. Put him back in, Abs.
Put him in real gentle. You can get him to fall over.
I can't.
Yeah, Brent will help you. Right.
Bye.
All right. We're good. So we've got fish number 2 on for Abs. That is the second one today on the clear boards. They seem to be working the planer board pretty good today.
Come over that way. There you go. Here. There you go.
Yeah.
To your right.
Another decent eater size.
You should just put my phone by you.
Does it have a code or can I just?
No.
Oh, okay.
No go. It's at the very bottom.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
You're not eating my fingers and stuff.
Hold it down just a little. There you go. Okay. All right, put it in there.
Can you get him?
All right, guys, we've been out for about an hour or so. We've already put 2 in the boat. Nothing gigantic, just a couple of nice little eater-sized blues. But Abby's having a great time at it. We're still rolling through, and hopefully we can put some big ones in the boat. So stay with us. We're going to keep drifting on down the lake a little bit and see what we can come up with. Fish number 3 on.
He's a little bigger.
Planer board again. The clear boards seem to be working pretty good, don't they, Brent?
Yeah, they're working good this morning. I think he came off.
Yeah?
Oh!
I think we should maybe switch boats.
Yep, he came off.
That is camera's fault there. Once again, just like in the deer woods, camera saves the lives.
That was a nice fish. So we're out here on the Tennessee River today, down in Alabama, with Abby over here and getting her on some fish. We've had our best luck today on these original clearboard planer boards. We use them a lot to get the baits out away from the boat. About all of our fish today have been caught on them. We got to thank BJ Ayers from the original clearboard for helping us out, and he's a big supporter of what we're doing. Great product. Also like to thank Risha Oakley and GTO Fishing. So she's the one that helped us get going in this and all season outdoors. And a big thanks to John Ritchie over at Blackout Bait and Tackle. He keeps us supplied with everything we need. So that's pretty well it for right now. Still got him?
Hooked up again, fish number 6. Once again on the clear board.
Oh, it doesn't help that someone is.
Keep them coming, Abs. Still on there? Figured out he was hooked. There he is. He's a small one. No, you can just hold him and.
Low battery.
There you go. Got him?
You got a picture of this one?
Wow. Abs, you going for your personal smallest? Hey, it's a fish, isn't it?
Oh boy!
So small!
It's a baby.
Huh?
It's so small! Hello.
Abby.
Great.
Go, Abby, go help him.
Let me move it.
Sure. Yeah, I say it's that outer one. Yeah, let me come around this side. Oh, good gravy.
This is not called for.
This one's strong. Really? feel his power? Keep reeling. Here we go. Keep reeling. Loosen that up a little bit. Right under the boat now. Okay, going. There we go.
When he gets up there, he'll make a run, probably. You're getting ready to get slimed again, kid.
Oh, there we go. That's your PB.
There you go.
There's your PB. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's great.
Look at that.
Oh. There we go.